Today we are going to study errors in measurement. हम कोई भी measurement लेते हैं उसमें error होती ही है. What are the reason we will discuss later on, but for the timing कोई भी measurement है तो error होगी ही होगी. अब हम उस error को कैसे represent करते हैं, उस error को कैसे calculate करते हैं, we have to study that कि how we are going to calculate the error, how we are going to represent the error. For that let's take an example. हमें कोई भी मेजरमेंट लेनी है तो हम एक एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करते हैं. सपोज हमने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म किया लेंथ को मेजर करने का. वी मेजर द लेंथ एंड दिस इज इन सेंटीमीटर. वी गॉट सम रीडिंग A1 that is 2.53, A2 2.51, A3 2.54, A4 2.48, A5 2.49. So these are the 5 readings we took in a measurement. Now what is actual value of length? To find out that actual value of length, we have to make average of all these things, and that is called the true value. So true value, what is true value? We will write it by A is equal to, what we are going to do, we are going to take the average of all, that is 2.53 plus 2.51 plus 2.54 plus 2.48 plus 2.49 divided by 5. If we calculate this 3, 1, 4, 4, 8, 8, 16, 9, 25, then this is 12.55 upon 5, or we can say this is 2.51. So our true value is 2.51. That means the length is how much? 2.51. So this is what is the length we measured in the experiment, and that is we are going to use for all purposes. Whatever is the use of this, जो हाँ भी हमें यूज़ करना है तो हम 2.51 यूज़ करेंगे. बट साइंटिफिकली जब हम मेजरमेंट लेते हैं तो हमें उसके साथ उसमें एरर भी डिस्क्राइब करना पड़ता है. वो एरर हम कैसे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? पहले हम जितनी भी हमने मेजरमेंट ली थी उन सब में एरर कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट द एरर इन ऑल ऑफ द मेजरमेंट्स. दैट इज व्हाट? फर्स्ट मेजरमेंट. द एरर इन फर्स्ट मेजरमेंट I will write delta A1. This is actual value minus the measured value, that is 2.53. So this will come as minus 0.02, right? Similarly, delta A2, we will do 2.51 minus 2.51, that is 0.00. Then delta A3, that now you can do that calculation, so it will come as 0.03. Delta A4, that is 2.51 minus 2.48, that is 0.03. And then delta A5, this 2.51 minus 2.49, so 0.02. So these are the errors. These are the errors. This is the error in first measurement. This is error in second measurement. This is error in third measurement, fourth measurement, and fifth measurement. So these are the errors in particular measurement of the experiment. But what is the error of that total value, this value? What is the error in this? So to calculate this error, we take average of all these errors. So when we will take average of all these errors, so what we find, if we make a sum, so that will come out as 0. So we don't take simple average. We take average while taking them positive. उनको पॉजिटिव लेते हुए एवरेज निकालना है. तो उनको पॉजिटिव लेते हुए इफ आई कैलकुलेट द एवरेज एंड आई विल राइट दैट डेल्टा ए इज इक्वल टू 0.02, थोड़ा और स्पेस चाहिए, तो delta A is equal to 0.02, I have take this positive, plus 0 plus इसको भी पॉजिटिव ले लेंगे तो 0.03, फिर ये तो पॉजिटिव है ही है 0.03, ये भी पॉजिटिव है तो 0.02 and then divided by 5. So this is 2, 3, 5, 3, 8 to 10, so this will come as 0.02. So this is error in the measurement. What measurement? This. This is the value. This is the value and this is the error. So how we will represent this? अब हम measurement को कैसे लिखेंगे? We will write the measurement as, so we will write the measurement as measurement is equal to measurement is equal to 2.51 प्लस माइनस 0.02. आपको ट्रू वैल्यू लिखना है और उसके साथ एरर लिखना है. So what is scientist is saying just by writing this? When scientifically measurements are written like this, so what is scientist is saying by writing in this way? The scientist is saying that for all purposes I have taken the value as 2.51. So for all purposes the value is taken as 2.51, but I may be wrong here. But how much wrong? That is plus minus 0.02. So if I subtract this, so I will get 2.49, and if I'll add this, so I will get 2.53. So actually the value is somewhere between 2.49 to 2.53. So the scientist is saying for all practical purposes I am taking the value as 2.51, but the actual value may be any value between 2.49 to 2.53. So this is the right way to write a scientific measurement. Okay. Now we have calculated the error, we have calculated the true value. अब हम error को कैसे represent करते हैं? I will use this example for the purpose, so I am taking this value for the reference, right? So we get the measurement, say A is 2.51 plus minus 0.02. Okay, so then absolute error. Absolute error. Absolute error is what? The exact error in a measurement. The exact error in a measurement, right, as we did in the first experiment, delta A1, and this is equal to A minus A1. So absolute error equals true value minus measured value. True value minus measured value. So true value में से measured value को subtract कर देंगे तो absolute error आ जाएगी, right? For example, I gave you some coins to count, say 10 coins. 10. How much you count? You count them 9. Then how much is the error? The error is 1. So you make the error of 1 coin in the counting. So this is called absolute error, right? So that is one way of representing the error, exact what is error. This is called absolute error. Then the other way to represent the error is relative error. Relative error. What is relative error? The error with respect to true value. The error with respect to true value. So relative error is written as delta A by A. The error divided by true value. In our example, it will be 0.02 divided by 2.51. So this will be called as relative error. In fact, अगर हम error को relative बताते हैं तो that is more useful and we will have a better insight of the system if we know the relative error rather than absolute error. I'll tell you by the example. In this example, we had 10 coins and we counted them as 9, then error is 1. If there were 100 and we count them 99, the error is still 1. If we have 1000 and we count them 999, the error is 1, still 1. So in all the three cases, the error is 1 coin. So absolute error is 1. But in which error is more? If you will see, this is 1 out of 10. So the relative error in this case is how much? The relative error in this case is 1 by 10, that is 0.1. The relative error in this case is 1 by 100, that is 0.01. And in this case it is 1 by 1000, that is 0.001. So what do you say? Which one is lesser error? I will say this is lesser. Right? So we have immediate insight that actually error कितनी है? इसमें error बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसमें बहुत कम है. So that's why we use relative error in comparison to absolute error. Further, we have percentage error. Percentage error is nothing. If the absolute error is multiplied by 100, then we get the percentage error. So हमारे पास percentage error आ जाएगी. इस केस में देखें अगर हम percentage error calculate करें, so this is how much? 10%, this is 1%, and this is 0.1%. So this error is a small error and this error is quite large error. 10% you have lose in error. 10% error is a very large error, very large amount of error. तो absolute term में देखेंगे तो same ही है, but actual में this error is very large error and this error is small error. I hope so you understood what is how we calculate error, what is absolute error, what is relative error, and what is percentage error, right? So this is what I was going to discuss in the error part. Now let's work on one more part, that is accuracy and precision. Accuracy and precision. These two I will tell you by an example, and I will take the same example. We had the value as 2.51, and in one of the measurement we took the reading as 2.5, and in one of the measurement we took reading as 2.48. Now delta A1 is equal to 0.01 while delta A2 is 0.03. So which is more accurate? Obviously this is more accurate. This is more accurate in comparison to this, right? So that is what is accuracy. Accuracy means the value which is more closer to the true value is called more accurate. The value which is more closer to the true value is called more accurate. The precision depends on resolution of measurement, means how small you can measure, or in a slang language I said that how much decimal places are there. So more number of decimal places are there means more precise is the value. So this is more precise. More precise. I choose this example to explain you the difference between accuracy and precision, because these two are taken like that के same ही चीज है. तो in fact होता क्या है, which is more precise is usually more accurate. Generally जो ज़्यादा precise होते हैं वो ही ज़्यादा accurate भी होती है. So but we know the difference between precision and accuracy. Precision means greater number of decimal place or smaller resolution, or smaller measurement is possible. जिसमें भी smallest to smallest measurement possible हो. Like in this case measurement is possible up to 2 place of decimal. In this case measurement is possible only up to 1 decimal place. So this is what about how to find out error, what is error, how to calculate that, what is accuracy and what is precision.